Hey Journeyers, welcome. Kevin here. So we're here at the Pinball Hall of Fame. It is a local Las Vegas attraction. It's on Las Vegas Boulevard, south of the Mandalay Bay. You can't miss it. It's got the big sans serif font that says Pinball in huge giant letters that stretches across from one side of the building to the others. It is a museum first and a place to play pinball second. So always keep that in mind when you come here. There's going to be a lot of old machines that probably aren't working, but the more people that come out here and spend their money, they can repair these machines, get them operating, and more people can have more and more fun here at the Pinball Hall of Fame. It's going to be an amazing journey. It's going to be a helpful journey. Check this place out. Starting to be wall-to-wall pinball machines. You can see this is a working facility. This is a place where they're actually trying to bring back dead machines. You got these old skee ball machines. We're going to start on the right side as you enter and kind of go and look at all the machines. Some of these on this side tend to be, I guess, ones that aren't fully operational. On this side, you got more shooter type games. Love this old classic. Oh, it's the Simpsons game. Cool. Nicktoons Racing. I guess these are things you can actually, I don't know, win. I guess you can win these things. Driving, oh, Crazy Taxi. Terminator Judgment Day. Look at this old machine. Wow. Oh my gosh. These look like the ones when I was a kid in Clovis at the bowling alley. And there's Solids and Stripes, Lucky Ace, Expo, Stratofly, Space Mission. I guess you can see that these are pretty much like space-based. Oh, Miss Pac-Man. Miss Pac-Man was an all-time favorite for a lot of people. Off-road. The Wacky Gator. Asteroids. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many quarters I spent on Asteroids as a kid. Super Mario Brothers. Atari. You got Centipede. You got Deluxe Space Invaders, Miss Pac-Man, a police trainer, and it's got two guns because you got to train with a friend. Tron doesn't look like it's working. Mario Brothers, and Joust. And look at Guitar Hero. And you got 24, Simpsons, Waterworld, Flintstones. This place is incredible. I personally, I think they need to get a hold of somebody that likes to do murals and maybe want to do a mural for free in here, and because these walls are really pretty stark. History is what this whole place is about. You got these race cars, the Daytona USA 2. If child is too small to reach the pedals, please keep them off the machine. Probably good advice. Oh, look, a Flintstones game. That's cool. Look at these. Need reconditioned. It's just good that they have these, and I'm sure they'll probably work on them. Maybe put in new innards. Look at this. Look at the baseball game. This baseball game is really cool. Looks like two people play because you've got a slider, curve, and straight. And then you've got actually to hit the ball right here. So the guy probably stands here with his hand over those controls and tries to outpitch the guy that's hitting on this side. So, oh cool. Roadshow, Jungle Princess, Wildlife. Yeah, pretty much everything out here is, some of the old ones are 25 cents. I think it goes up to about $1, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, Gilligan's Island. Oh man, wow. It even comes with the manual. So right here we got an old, looks like old pinball challenge. I don't know what this is. Challenger. But you do play with two people, it looks like. Maybe I'm wrong, but safe cracker. You become the safe cracker. Super Mario Brothers Mushroom World. Punch the clown. I like punching clowns. Okay. Look how big, look how ginormous this place is. It's just ginormous. And it's full of pinballs. What could be more fun, right? Captain Fantastic, that's Elton John. Pinball Wizard, Old Chicago. High Score Pool. Jurassic Park. Some of these are out of order. Some of them need some TLC. But I'm sure they'll get them all back in, restoring and getting it going. Is that? I can't tell. There's a glare, but it looks like Shaq. Got the some of the innards missing. Carnival and pinball. So Space Shuttle, No Fear, Starship Troopers. Loved Starship Troopers, the movie. One of my favorite goofy movies that just doesn't make sense, but they seem to pull it off, and they had some pretty good stars in that movie. So it just keeps going back. We're gonna go back a little ways. Look at this thing. Computer space, triple action. If you see anything, put it in the comments if you want to come out and play these games. Space Jam, Bow and Arrow, Knight Rider. That's awesome. Look at all these games, man. Once I'm done shooting, I am definitely playing. So I can't wait. Look at that. Look at the old format. Simple. All you're trying to get is like a double out, triple home run, double out, single, double out, triple, single out, cranes. Here's change. This is where you get your tokens, quarters. So you put in cash, you get quarters. Oh, look at Herman Munster. So you got more claw games, plenty of claw games. Here, Game of Thrones, Star Wars, Iron Maiden, Jurassic Park, Star Trek, Ghostbuster, Hydro Thunder games, shooter game. Oh wow, look at that's intense. That's almost three-dimensional. I might try to play this game here in a minute. That's cool. Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean, that would be fun. Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, the Thunderbirds. I used to watch their stupid cartoons. They're little puppets. I don't know, sometimes I think I was into puppetry. Yeah, look at this place. It's just taking a little nap, that's all. Just taking a little nap. You come into the Pinball Hall of Fame and what do you want to do? You want to take a nap. Strikes and spares. You get your candy on here, more change machines, more candy. Look at these old games. More old games. Yeah, they've got a lot of old games here. And honestly, a lot of them that aren't working, but it's a museum more than it is a place for you to come and play. But secondary, it's a place where you can come and play. You can stick quarters in these machines and play some old games, maybe some new games. Oh, look at these old things. Oh, is that lunar where you land? Oh, I used to play that a lot. No money in dark machines, please. Oh, speaking of puppet, this probably scared the crap out of some kids. Hey kids, play with Peppy, the musical clown. Wow, dude, he really honestly looks kind of scary. And so let's keep walking. I'm gonna pan across a lot of these games so you can see what they are and see if it's something you want to You want to come here and play. I bet you seeing all these pinball machines makes you want to come out here and play these things. Yes, it does. It does for me. Yeah, I just think the theming of a lot of these old games are cool. Look, you got these big giant air handlers up here. It's a big place. It's like a big warehouse here. I think they picked a good location. It's right next to the Harley-Davidson dealership here on Las Vegas Blvd. Oh, look at that. Even the machine is all wacko. Look at it. It's built sideways. Punch out, tapper, Frogger. I was more of a console player by the time I got out of pinball machines. I did like playing pinball machines as a kid. Oh, there's the Rush game. There's that Rush game. Mandalorian, Godzilla. So these are pretty new. Obviously, Mandalorian. You've got the Rush game here. It's $1 to play. Look at the characters. Check that out. Got 007. Oh, you got a whole bunch of. You got the Avengers. Let's just pan down these. See if you want to play any of these games. And you can pull up a chair. You can grab a stool. They've got stools and things out here, so you can get comfortable. Flipper Parade. Yeah, these are some that I've never even heard of. These are probably like the 1950s or something like that, 60s, when some of these games were available. Oh man, I really like this place. I think this is a place where people can come and, spend a little bit of money, having a little bit of fun, a lot of fun actually, playing some of these old classic games. Problem is, I just don't know which ones, like this one, which one, obviously that's not operational, and these probably aren't either because there's parts sitting up on top. So maybe the workers need to, kind of clean it up and put the machines that are actually working where people can access it. But again, it's a museum, so it's not really, it's a museum first, historical museum first. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the Pinball Hall of Fame. I think this is cool. I'm actually, as soon as I get done filming, I'm going to actually start playing. So, I would, if I was you, I would come out and, pick up some of these machines and just start playing them. Get yourself $100. $100 and just start playing quarters. You'd be here all day with $100. You got some of the bigger games that you could play. We've even got some hockey machines over here, hockey games. Oh wow, that looks like fun. Official beer is Budweiser. So this is the Budweiser soccer game. Folks, I'm telling you, you can't. They have restrooms out here, so they have drinks. They probably have snacks. There's a snack machine, Tom's snack machine. I saw a guy earlier playing this game. You got skee ball. Skee ball. That's one of my wife's favorite games. My daughter likes to play skee ball. When she was a little girl, she would literally walk all the way up there and toss the ball into the skee ball. She didn't know any better, but it was cute. Oh my gosh, look at this operation game. Oh, that's cool. Folks, I hope you liked, coming out here and kind of taking a look. This is now one of my places that I'm going to come and visit on a regular basis. I hope you will be too. It kind of supports them, obviously, when you put money into these machines. Look at the handles on these machines. Look at that. Demolition Man. Sylvester Stallone. That's obviously. So, yeah, come out here and you know, the money helps them restore these machines. So, you know, plus they have to pay the workers. So whatever's left over goes into restoring the machines. So, you know, come out here and check it out. As you can see, the place is packed. It's got a lot of people here. This is where you can buy like hoodies and little trinkets and things like that. Pinball Hall of Fame. You can buy merch. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. It's been fun. Again, change machines. And here's wow, look at this old crane game. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and hope you enjoyed the video and watch my next videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.